In early 2005, under the leadership of current chairman Deepak Basu, ActionAid and Reuters Foundation carried out an ethnographic study in the Ganges Delta region, south of Kolkata, India's third largest city, which showed that economies of desperately poor and marginalized people can be dramatically impacted by increase of local employment. Anudip began establishing training centers with 3 locations in the Sundarbans region of eastern India. These first centers were learning prototypes launched in partnership with community NGOs, with Anudip providing faculty, training equipment, student mobilization, training and placement services. Now Anudip has more than 120 skill and career development centers all over India, delivering the power of Accenture's global capabilities and experience to address social, economic and environmental issues in the developing world. New technologies and business models can transform how the international development community serves people in need. Accenture Development Partnerships helps organizations in this sector dramatically increase their impact in areas such as global healthcare, education, financial inclusion and energy access. By applying the talents of our people, capabilities and experience, we are empowering our clients, including non-governmental organizations, foundations and government financial institutions, to improve millions of lives in the developing world. Together with our clients, we are building momentum to change the world and bringing us closer to achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Our most valuable placement partners: Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, HSBC, Cisco, Dell, Cognizant, Genpact, and more reputed multinational organizations. List of available courses: Diploma in Web Designing, Diploma in Hardware and Networking, Diploma in Tally with ERP9. Certificate in English Communication and Digital Education and Excel Specialization. Machine Learning with Python. Data Science R, C, C++, Java. Linux Administration. Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert. Eligibility criteria: you should pass 10+2 and age should be 18 or above. Our training partner: National Skill Development Corporation. Register online for free. Contact for more information. Thank you.